Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Wordfence and Cloudflare integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, hover over the Plugins menu. Click on Installed Plugins. Locate Wordfence Security in the list of installed plugins. If it's not installed, click on Add New, search for Wordfence, and then install and activate it. Once Wordfence is activated, go to the Wordfence menu in the left sidebar and click on All Options. Scroll down to the Advanced Firewall Options section. You will see a setting related to Cloudflare integration. Before proceeding, log into your Cloudflare account in a new tab. Navigate to the dashboard of the specific website you've added to Cloudflare. Copy the Cloudflare API key by going to My Profile in the Account drop-down menu. Next, return to your Wordfence settings in WordPress. Paste the API key into the designated field for Cloudflare API in Wordfence. You may also need to enter your Cloudflare email address associated with the account. After entering the necessary information, click on Save Changes at the bottom of the Wordfence settings page. Next, go to the Firewall option within the Wordfence menu. Click on Manage WAF to adjust the settings for the web application firewall. Ensure that the Cloudflare IP addresses are whitelisted to allow proper functioning. You can find the latest list of Cloudflare IP addresses on the Cloudflare website. Once you've added the IP addresses, return to Wordfence and accept any firewall notifications if prompted. Optionally, you can customize additional firewall settings based on your website's needs. Lastly, test the integration by visiting your website and confirming that everything is functioning smoothly. If any issues arise, refer to the Wordfence documentation for additional troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.